Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I made it out today to Walgreens. Oh yeah, you know what? I did go to Walgreens. I stopped by there because I wanted to get some of this deodorant here. Now, before I went to Walgreens, I went to Target. And I picked up a few items from Target, which I will show you in the next video. All right. But these are the items that I bought from Walgreens. And I really didn't have any coupons for anything. Most of my coupons were digital coupons. They were online. And I'm going to share my haul with you. Okay. So I bought the Colgate whitening toothpaste. They were $2.99 each, and both of them was $2.99. And when you buy two, you get $3 back in I think it's points or extra care bucks, one of them. And I'm sorry I didn't read the advertisement a lot. I didn't read it that good, so I think it was somehow or another I got back 3,000 points. 3,000 points or $3. If it was register rewards, it didn't print out, so it must have been points. All right, I bought the Arid extra strength deodorant. It was $2.99. I bought 4 of those at $2.99. That came to $11.96. And I bought the Crest mouthwash. And look, forgot to use the coupon that's right there on it. Ain't that a blip? I forgot to use that coupon. That would have took an additional $3 off for me. Anyway, let's see what happened. I got $5 off for the Crest, and $3 off for the Colgate. So I did get that. My subtotal was $26.47. I used $20 in points to pay for this stuff. So out of pocket I had to pay $9.44. However, oh, this is my receipt. Let me let you see the receipt. I always like to let you see the receipt. Let you know what I did, okay? All right. So I was supposed to get points. Did I get them? No. So what happened? Oh, I got 8,000 points. But I also got 10,000. She also printed me out 10,000. Okay, I got 10,000, so that was $18 back out of that 29. So not bad. So you get it. I got $18 back because I got 8,000 in points, and then she printed me out an additional 10,000 points. So that's 18,000 points or $18. I paid 29. My total was 29, but I paid 20. So that was a great deal for me, okay? No problem. I used my points, but I earned them right back. Thank God. All right. Then the next thing I bought was the Dixie plates. They were $3.99. You buy one, you're going to get the other one free. Great deal. Dunkin' Donuts coffee was, I see that did not come off. Dunkin' Donuts coffee was $4.99, and I thought I had a $3 off coupon online, but I don't see it. And I bought the Max Fresh toothpaste. That toothpaste was $2.99. I bought 2 of them. When you buy 2, you get 4,000 points, and I got the 4,000 points. Oh, I gotta let you see my baby blanket. Oh my God, I gotta let you see this baby blanket. What I bought. I'm taking you in my I thought I was gonna do this one separately, but okay. Look, I bought this for my niece. Look at this. Isn't that cute? Look. He got the receiving blanket in his hand. And I hope you can see it. Let me turn this way. He got the receiving blanket in his hand. And it's a little rabbit. He's so soft. I'm going to put it in there. That's going in here. And it's a light color, but I'm going to put it inside there. Okay? Yep. So, yeah. So that was $14.99. Oh, okay. I'm walking you back in here in my dining room, in my kitchen. Okay, so that was $14.99. Where's my receipt? Yeah, so that was $14.99. Then I bought the Scott tissue. That's hand towels. They were $5. There was a $1.25 off in the IVC booklet. And while there was an additional $1 off digital coupon. Okay, there was a $3 digital coupon off the toothpaste. And the Dixie, there was the Dixie plates, there was a $1 off coupon. All right, I'm gonna let you see all of that. Okay, I'm gonna let you see it. See that? All right. Okay, so my subtotal was $28.70. There go the tax. Came up to $31.28. But I redeemed $20 in points. And let's see. So I paid, out of pocket, I paid $11.28 for all that stuff I just told you, especially with that blanket. Okay, so I got back in bonus points, 3,000 bonus points. That, I guess that was for the toothpaste. But anyway, I got an additional 10,000 points again. Okay, I got an additional 10,000 points because I forgot what happened, but something happened. Anyway, I left with $39 in points, $39,300. So $39 in points. And if you look at it all together, I paid for all of this stuff. I paid $20. $20. But don't forget, I had that the big bunny with the towel. So, I mean, that equals itself out. And I was supposed to get $3 off of this, but I don't know where it is. They didn't do it. I don't see it, but that's okay. That's okay. All right? Yeah, guys, did I show you my pressure canner that I bought? I haven't used it yet. I'm scared. I'm scared. But I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. It's my pressure canner that I'm going to use when I can my foods that I'm learning how to can. All right? Okay. I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to share it with you some more, though. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Enjoy yourself. Don't forget, subscribe. And guess what? I will be able to use these. Let me see. I'll be able to use these again. Let's see when they expire. I'll let you see it. They don't expire until December. Okay, here it is right here. They don't expire until December. So I definitely be able to use them again. I'm actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take them off this thing right now so that I don't forget. I'm going to put them with my other coupons. Put them in my coupon holder. Take all of these little things off. I forgot. You know, you get in the store, be crowded and all of that. Every time I go in the store, it gets so crowded on the line. I just want to finish, you know, and leave, okay? So anyway, I will be able to use these again. And trust me, these were $6.59, I believe. So $6.12, that's $18 right there. That's a lot of money. All right, guys, I love you. I'm just babbling. I'm finished. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.